Space Alien, the Bunny Chronicles.
Why, hello, sir. You look like somebody who is buying a present for their bunny wife. So, first, you must tell me what your bunny wife likes. Oh, she likes dancing? Well, I've got the item for you. This is the latest piece of musical technology. And you can trust me that this is the latest piece of musical technology because I owned a big company once until my family and I all got it all closed down. But yeah, that's the latest technology. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you would like to watch a past episode, please check out the playlist.